Introducing Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. Our new thermostat helps you live comfortably and save automatically. It starts with an easy install you can do yourself. Everything you need is in the box, and most installs take around 45 minutes. It's also completely redesigned with thicker glass, 50% larger display, and intuitive usability. What hasn't changed are the intelligent energy savings, automatically saving you up to 26% on heating and cooling costs, without ever compromising on comfort. Our most advanced occupancy sensors ever are built right into the thermostat, so it knows when you're home or away and can adjust the temperature accordingly. Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced also works with smart sensors, making hot and cold spots disappear in the rooms that matter most and keeping you comfortable anywhere in your home. If you want to control your thermostat, you can do that from anywhere with the Ecobee app, using your smartphone, tablet, or Apple Watch. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced makes a difference in your home and for the planet too. And the more homes we're in, the more of a difference we can make.